Hello and waiting. Hello and welcome to today's tech tutorial brought to you by me, Coach Ben and Coach L. So today's tech tutorial will be about accessing your Step Up to Writing online resources. Remember, as you're watching this video, please feel free to stop, pause it whenever necessary to make sure that you know where the next steps are. So here we go, accessing your Step Up to Writing resources online. So I've sent you an email with your manual embedded in there, and you're going to have to do a few things. So you're going to have to first locate the email, which is a Step Up to Writing online resources email. But dun dun dun, it's probably going to be in your spam, and you're going to have to dig a little deeper in your spam, because if you're going to want access to it now, you're not going to be able to wait for your daily email. So you're going to have to find a spam email. You're going to click a link that looks like this, and remember, I'm going to walk you through this as well. You're going to go ahead and log in with your district email and your password once you are rerouted to the spam filter, and you're going to forward the message to yourself. That will kick it into your mailbox, and of course, the next step, as you can see, is you're going to go to this e-library. You're going to click on this link in the email. You are going to log in or create an account with your work email, and you're going to add the book to your bookshelf. So remember, this is a reference page. You can go back to it if you need a little help, but we're going to get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we are actually going to go into our email, and I'm going to pretend that I look for it because mine's already gone through my spam filter. I already did that step, so unfortunately I can't show you that. But let's say you couldn't find it, and you're going to go here and you're going to look for this email summary. And in this email summary, you're not going to see it in there probably because it's going to be the emails from yesterday. So what you're going to need to do is right here. This is our second step. Click here to view the spam. This is going to reroute you. Looks like I am already logged in, but let's say I wasn't. I would just put my email right here and my password, same password for my email, and then I'm going to click login. So now, in my case, I don't have any spam because I've already put one of mine through the filter, but yours would show up right here, and you would be able to go ahead and forward it to yourself. Here's just an example of what that might look like. So if I needed this email, I could click on it. This was the email I needed, and I can mark it not as spam, or I could forward it to myself. Once I've done that, I should hear the ping in my mailbox. So ping, I forwarded the mail to myself, and here it is, right here, the Step Up to Writing. So it tells me what the license that I received, and it says to access, click here. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, and it takes me to this. Now notice you're going to have to log in because you haven't done this before. I already have my username, which I've created as william.cogswell. You're going to have to create your own, and your password. I would just suggest copy the username that you have in the beginning of your email. Make it easy. Use the same password as your email. You're going to go ahead and log in. Oh, I have new books. Isn't that great? So I'm going to click on it. And you can see right here, I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my bookshelf. And then once I add it to my bookshelf, it will be there. And I can go ahead and go to my bookshelf, and I can see my Step Up to Writing materials. I have both the materials. You will only have one of the materials. So I hope this helps. I'm sorry I couldn't demo the full process because mine already had gone through the spam. Of course, if you ever have any questions, you can always contact me, Coach Ben. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Also remember that there is a paper version of this as well, and that is located at the Tech Tools document. I will make sure to include that link popping up right now for you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.